Now we are going to slowly move into DC motors. So generators are over. Now we slowly go into DC motors, and three types of DC motors are there: series, shunt, and compound. So series means this field winding will be series with your armature. Shunt means the field winding will be parallel to your armature. Compound means it will have two field windings. One will be series, one will be parallel. Okay, so shunt motor. See what diagram you are seeing is a shunt motor, because you see RA and RF are parallel. If RA and RF, if RF is somewhere here, it will be a series motor. If RF is present both here and here, it will going to be a compound motor. Compound motor is combination of series and shunt. It has two windings, one series with armature, one shunt with your armature. Okay, and we know that EMF equation, E is equal to phi Z NP by 60A. This is the EMF equation of DC machine. It is the E is the induced EMF. Okay, and you know that induced EMF is always going to oppose the supply voltage V, and hence it is called as back EMF. It is denoted by EB. So we will usually denote E by EB. The suffix b why we are putting it to indicate that it is your back EMF. Back means it is going to oppose the source which is going to produce that EMF. So since V is producing this EMF, we are representing this induced EMF E by EB. An induced EMF is always produced in the armature. Okay. And from the, we know this is the equation for your DC motor. V is equal to EB plus IARA. Here you see the total current is splitting into field windings and armature windings. So I can write IL equal to IF plus IA. This comes from your KVL, and second equation comes from your KCL. So total line current IL will be equal to field current plus armature current. Okay. I hope this is clear. For the series motor, all the currents will be same, because the current is in the field winding is series with armature, right? So IL will be equal to IF will be equal to IA for a series DC series motor. For shunt motor, because RF and RA are parallel, the total current will be splitting into two equal, maybe not be equal halves, will be splitting into IF and IA. From the diagram, I can clearly say that.